Park next to this car right here. So as far as aligning the car, you just want to make sure you're not too far from it and not too close either. And align the side mirrors if it's the same size car. If it's not the same size car, you could just align the back bumpers. And as far as distance, this is the amount of distance that I have between the cars. It's not that far. So now I'm going to put it in reverse. I already have it in reverse while I'm holding the brake. Now I'm going to turn it one full turn to the left since I'm parking on the left hand side. Like this. So I'm going to check real quick. Should get me. Alright, now I'm going to start hitting the gas just a little bit. You want to do this in a controllable manner. So while you're doing it, you want to look back. And you're looking at that side like this. Once you see this shape right here, it looks like the curb is blocked off, and you see how the handle is kind of aligned with the curb. That's when you want to go and turn the wheel all the way right. And I'm going to just reverse it. So you still want to monitor the curb as well, just to make sure you're not hitting it or you're not too close. If you feel like you're too close, you just make sure you don't hit it. Just make sure you stop and then go forward if you need to. You could adjust it as you're practicing it. And then once you hit that mark where it's fully in, the car is fully back. Now put it back in drive. You just straighten out the wheel and you just drive in if you need to. Sometimes you don't really need to drive up as much. And you could just, so now since it's a hill, right? While you're holding the brake still, put it in neutral, right? Now use the handbrake. I got the old handbrake. Some people got it right there somewhere. So you just got to check where your handbrake is at and then lift it. And then put it in park. So that makes sure your car don't move. Because if it's on the hill, if you just leave it on neutral, let me show y'all something. So I'm going to just reverse back just a little bit so I have enough space. Alright, so now I'm going to put it in neutral, right? I'm going to leave the brake. Look what it's going to do. It's going to move, right? And it's a hill, so you want to make sure you're not putting that pressure on the regular brake, the regular parking brake. So now that's why you use this handbrake. And now I'm going to just put it in park.